story time to go at the DeSoto Public Library with me, Miss Janelle, and Otis. That Otis, he's asleep again. And each week he says he's not going to be asleep. But each week, is he asleep? Yes. Well, we should wake him up because today we are going to do a story time to go about being in a playground and playing outside. And I think we should wake up Otis because he's always sleeping. And if he sleeps all day, does he get to go outside and play? No. So let's wake him up. Do you remember the one way in the whole wide world to wake up Otis? Yeah, we have to say 1, 2, 3. Wake up Otis. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wake up Otis! Oh, Miss Janelle. Yes? Why are you always waking me up? Otis, because you're always asleep. I know. I like being asleep. But if you're always asleep, you'll miss out on some of the fun things that you can do. What kind of fun things? Well, it's a beautiful day outside, and did you know that when it's nice and fun and warm outside that you can go to the playground and play? Playground? Who wants to go to the playground? That's not any fun. I'd rather sleep. Otis! Yeah, that's not very nice. It's not. No, going to the playground is lots of fun. Do you know what you can do at the playground? You can sleep. No, Otis. When you go to the playground, you can run, you can play tag. Oh, can I chase squirrels? You can. What else can you do? Well, you can play jump rope and hopscotch. Oh, yeah. And you know what else I like to do? What? I like to play leapfrog. Oh, does that mean you get to jump on top of frogs? Because that sounds really good. And then after that, you can eat them? No, Otis. Leapfrog is when you play a game where you try to jump over each other, the way frogs jump over each other. Oh, okay. I guess that's okay. Can you eat them afterwards? No, Otis. You don't get to eat them. Oh, okay. So, here's what I'm going to need for you to do. Yeah. I'm going to need for you to stay awake. Okay, I'm always awake. What's the point? I need you to stay awake so that we can make a craft. Okay, and then with that craft, we can go outside to the playground and have lots of fun. Oh, well, I guess I can stay awake this time, and I guess I can go to the park, and maybe I can take a nap. No, Otis, no, we need you to stay awake. Okay, I'll stay awake. All right. Otis promises he's going to stay awake so that he can go outside and play in the park. Yeah. Oh, man. Otis went to sleep. I guess we'll just have to make this week's craft without him. Now, when you come to the library this week, don't forget to pick up your Story Time to Go craft, which has all the different activities for you to be able to do a story time at your house. So let's go ahead and make our own frisbee. So here's what you're going to get in your kit for this week. 2 paper plates, some stickers, some crayons, this little roll of colorful tape. And at your house, what you might need is a pair of scissors. The first thing you're going to do is take one of your paper plates and draw a large circle in the middle. Then you're going to cut it out. Once you've got your paper plate with a large hole in the middle, then you will put your second paper plate on the bottom and trace the circle again and cut it out again. That way you will have 2 circles the exact same size in the exact same position. this. The next part is where you get to use your imagination and color and design your frisbee however you would like. Going to now fit them together to make our frisbee. Then you're going to take this special tape that came in your kit and you are going to tape around the corners to hold them together. Well, now that we've got our frisbee and we are ready to go outside, what do you think? Should we wake someone up? Yes, Otis, because I've heard that dogs love to chase frisbees in the park. So I really think he's gonna like this frisbee. Do you remember how to wake up Otis? There's only one way in the whole wide world, and we have to say 1, 2, 3. Wake up Otis. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Wake up Otis! I was awake. I was awake the whole time. You were? Okay, no, I wasn't. I was taking a nap. Yeah, that's more like it. Yeah. That's because I was resting up so I could get all of my energy so that we could go outside and play in the park. Oh, yeah. And then when we go on the playground, I'm going to swing and run and jump. Oh, those are good things. Yeah, okay. Well, then I guess it was okay if you took a little bit of a nap before going to the playground. Yeah. But now, are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. I'm energized. Oh, good. Because we made a craft that I think you're really going to like, Otis. Oh, yeah. Is it something to eat? No, it's not something to eat. Oh, well then what is it? We made a frisbee for you. Don't you think, isn't that really cool? Won't you really like that? No. No, wait a minute. But I thought that dogs like to chase frisbees in the park. What? Why would you think that? Why would I want to chase a frisbee? Well, yeah, Otis. I don't you see a lot of dogs chasing frisbees? Yeah. Well, yeah, but I'm not a dog. Otis, I think you are a dog. What? Yeah, Otis. Oh, okay. I guess I'm a dog. Okay. Well, where's this frisbee? Oh, I've got it right here. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so what do you do with it? Well, you toss it. Okay, and then what? Well, and then that's usually when dogs like to go chasing. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm going to toss it, and then I'm going to wait for dogs to go chasing. No, Otis, you are the dog to chase it. Oh, okay. Yeah, sure, whatever. Ready? And go ahead and toss it. Oh, let me go get it. Ah! Uh-oh! I guess Otis went running for the frisbee. I'll just have to tell you myself to come to the library, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.